Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Praveen Cheripalli. I'm an internal medicine physician from Florida, United States. Like most of the doctors here, I have been treating COVID-19 patients over the last several months. In the recent past, after businesses opened, I'm seeing more and more hairstylists getting COVID-19 infection. In a hair salon, you are really close to the hairstylist within 1 to 2 feet. Both the hairstylist and the customer are at an increased risk of getting COVID-19 infection. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you some important tips that you need to take to prevent getting COVID-19 infection in a hair salon. First thing that you need before entering a hair salon is a face mask. Most of the hair salons, they are not even allowing customers without face masks. The next high risk point is actually the door handle. Remember, this door handle is touched by hundreds of people in a day. See if you can actually open the door with your elbow. If not, you may have to use a hand sanitizer as soon as possible. Once you enter the hair salon, make sure social distancing is maintained throughout your visit. And once you are called by the hairdresser, whatever instructions you want to give, make sure to give all the instructions to the hairdresser then and there itself when there is at least 6 feet of distance between both of you. Before sitting in the chair, make sure the chair is completely cleaned. If they are not cleaning the chair, make sure to use a wipe or a sanitizer to actually clean the area. The risk of infection, getting COVID-19 infection from the chair is low, but there is still definitely some risk. Make sure the hairdresser has a face mask. If they have a face shield, that's even better. Once you sit in the chair, this is very important, very critical to remember. Do not speak. Do not have any conversation once you sit in the chair. When you start speaking, then you generate droplets. You also generate aerosols. Aerosols are those teeny particles that float in the air. They can carry infection and you can get COVID-19 infection from these aerosols. Remember, to prevent getting COVID-19 infection, you need both the things. You need to wear a face mask and you also need to do social distancing. You need both of them. When you are in a hair salon, when you are getting a haircut, you have a face mask, but you're not really 6 feet away from the hairdressers. So you are at an increased risk of getting COVID-19 infection. Face mask alone is not 100% protective when you are sitting within 6 feet from another person. So it is very important not to speak, not to laugh, not to have a conversation while having a haircut. If the hairstylist or the hairdresser is having a conversation, or if the hairdresser is laughing or yelling, gently let them know not to speak while you get the haircut. Wearing an N95 mask is optional. If you have one, this is one of those situations where you may benefit from wearing an N95 mask. So these are some of the important tips that you need to take to prevent getting COVID-19 infection at a hair salon. I hope you like this video. Please do like and share this video. Please do subscribe to our channel and also visit our website MDAdvices.com for more health information. Thank you very much for watching this video.